Hello and welcome to my channel Tech Pilgrim. Today we are going to do unboxing of hugely popular MacBook Air with Apple M1 processor 2020 model. This is an Indian retail unit purchased from Apple's official website, so let's get started. In November 2020, Apple made a shocking decision to roll out new 13-inch MacBook Pro, MacBook Air and Mac Mini devices with its own M1 chip instead of that from Intel. Apple claimed tremendous performance gains and thermal efficiency due to this change. Apple is expected to use this new chip in its upcoming devices, and we are going to see quite a few launches in rest of 2021. Alright, now let's come back to the unboxing. It has 8-core CPU, 7-core GPU, 256GB SSD storage and 16GB of RAM. It comes securely packaged in a cardboard packaging. Inside this, we will find the actual box, which looks quite elegant. I must say, the box is designed in such a way that you will not need any tools to unpack it, removing the outer plastic layer. Now it's time to open the box and see the laptop. I have picked up the space grey color, which seems to be the most popular choice. It has a metal unibody design which measures 13.3 inches. This laptop weighs around 1.2 kgs and is quite easy to carry around. We will keep the MacBook aside and check the accessories. First, we have some product literature here which says designed by Apple in California. And this is the 30-watt power adapter which comes in a small form factor. And here we have the USB-C cable which will be used with the power adapter for charging the laptop. Now we will get the laptop out of the cover. This laptop looks very premium, just like its predecessor. The whole body is made of aluminium with nice rounded edges. And this helps in heat dissipation, as this particular model does not have a fan inside. On the back we have rubber grip for support. On the exterior, Apple has not done any design changes, and hence the front looks exactly the same as the previous generation MacBook Air. Now we'll open the lid and see what's inside. Opening the lid switches the laptop on. And there is a paper cover covering the screen which we are going to remove. Now coming back to the screen itself, it's a glossy screen typically seen on Apple laptops, which may be a problem for certain users who are used to matte screen. The laptop is booting up and the boot times are quite fast. We are presented with the first time setup interface. Now let's talk about the keyboard of the laptop. The type of keyboard that is present on this laptop is scissor switch mechanism. And the key travel is somewhat lesser than the typical Windows laptops and may require some getting used to for certain users. Another point to note is, in the first row, Apple has provided a set of function keys instead of touch bar, which I personally like. The Retina display has 2560 by 1600 resolution and 400 nits of brightness. This screen should allow content creators to perform work which needs color accuracy, such as color grading videos or editing photos on Photoshop. This screen is absolutely stunning to look at and supports P3 wide color space. The black levels are deep and True Tone technology provides a natural viewing experience. And all that is supported with a fantastic battery life which should easily last you a day or more depending on the workload. The top bezel houses a 720p webcam, which should suffice for any online meetings. Speaker grills are located on the either side of the laptop and produces crisp and clear sound with decent amount of bass. The integrated microphone works quite well for audio calls and meetings. The power button is integrated with Touch ID sensor and it works pretty accurately every time. Speaking about the performance, this laptop is blazing fast and handles most tasks thrown at it with ease. On the left side, there are two Thunderbolt ports which support power delivery, external display, and audio all at the same time. On the right side, we have 3.5mm audio output. In conclusion, I would say this laptop is a perfect choice for someone interested in content creation, photo and video editing, and for any other creative workloads. However, enterprise users may need to check for app compatibility on Apple Silicon before making the plunge. So, what do you think about this laptop? Please let me know in the comments section below. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you are new here. Please check my other videos by clicking on the link above. Till then, bye.